What's up, everybody? Okay, we're back. Jesse's going to do this install right now, so we're just going to show you real quick. Actually, I'm going to show you a couple things that I missed on part one that I need to go over with you. But it's going to kind of help out a little bit and understand. Here we go. Also, when you're doing these window regulators, you'll notice that he takes some tape and props up the glass, so it kind of gives it an easier access for you're doing it rather than you having your buddy or your uncle or maybe Alberto over there holding the glass up. It's just going to make a lot more sense as your DIY kind of person if you're going to do it yourself. Or, you know, either way, just kind of a heads up, blue tape there or a suction cup. Those are always good. So we got the new window regulator right here. Obviously, you can see everything's tightened down. All the plastics, all these springs, all these springs you'll see are now tightly loaded, and they're there, which the other ones were kind of loose. So this one's all good to go back in the 10mm bolts. Let me go back over here to this one. See those same springs, see how they're all popped. So when they're all popped like that, that's what made it go bad. That's what makes it not any good anymore. So, and again, like I said, along with the spindles. So, simple on this one. Again, we're going to attach the the regulator through the hole here, and then as it gets in there, then you can go ahead and tighten up those 10mm bolts and hook up the wiring harness back through there. It's kind of difficult on some of these because some of these holes they just kind of go through the hole there, but then there's some where this actual whole piece right here comes off like the Volkswagen Jettas, the Liberties, the Jeep Liberties. But on this one, it's actually an easier installation. You just got to feed it through the hole. You got two angles. You popped off. Usually, like he popped off the speaker cord there. The speaker cord gives us access to get on this side for one hand, and then you got access on this hand. And then you'll notice right here in this indentation, that's where that slide bar goes right back in, and it's going to get hooked up on those those 4 holes with the 10mm bolts. So. Again, after that's done, you got to make sure that you don't damage none of these bars when putting them in either, because you'll see some guys will put them in, we'll get, customer will call and they'll say, oh, well, or people will get the door panel put back on and say, well, my door isn't opening up anymore. Well, if the door ain't opening up anymore from the inside or the outside, it's because you probably bent this wire here. Or you somehow messed this up when you put the door panel back on. That's something that is important that you just kind of, it's like we have a saying around here, what's 2 to 3? Well, 2 to 3 is from good to great. So if you take that extra minute and just do it right, then you ain't going to have those problems like crimping up these wires here. But anyway, here we go. 10mm bolt right here. It goes to an adjustment hole. You got the others down here, and you're going to have one more that goes right here. Plugs in the wiring. There that is right there. Yep, MacGyver. Somebody's pulling in we got the Maserati pulling in the shop. He kind of startled Jesse a little bit. He wasn't sure when he plugged something in if he had something go off there. But either way, so you just plug that in. And then obviously the other wires over here down to the right are actually for the speaker. So that's how that is. After that, it's pretty cut and dry. You're going to tighten it up. And then once this is done, we'll drop that door window. And then they just have 2 bolts that attach right up in the hole here. Right up in this hole. Let me see if I can get you in there. Right up in that hole there. And that's where those will attach to the actual bottom of the door window. And that's it. Put the door panel back on, snap it, grip it, and it's a done deal. Anyway, so that's how it is. That's a window regulator. That's how they're installed for Honda Element 2004. Anybody has any questions, again, come to our website, agdnow.com. You can go to the contact form. You can fill out one of those. You can go ahead and inbox me. Inbox me. I take them up till 10, and Alberto takes them up till midnight. So if you want to call, you can call 24 hours a day. We got an answering service. We'll get you scheduled. We'll get you taken care of. Either way, we want to earn your business. We want to do it right. We appreciate you tuning in today. We appreciate it. Thanks so much. And we'll talk to you guys soon. Have a good day.